Good morning or good afternoon, guys. God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Happy, what's today? Wednesday? Tuesday? Happy Wednesday, guys. Wow. Happy Wednesday, guys. We are out here in DeSoto this morning. We are actually we're doing a headlight restoration only on this vehicle. So overall, the headlights, they were actually pretty beat up. So we had to drop it down. We started at 800 and we finished off at 5,000 wet sanding, and they should come out really well. When it comes to headlight, guys, it's just one of those things that, you know, you just gotta have patience to do them, and it's just a lot of steps at times, but that's why you charge accordingly. And I'm out here with my good buddy Ivan with R5 Auto Detailing, and he just recently purchased, you've guys seen him on some of my videos. He had a Jeep and now he's upgraded to this Promaster Dodge, and I am so excited. He literally has he has the brains that I don't have when it comes to getting your truck looking good, because mine, if I open it right now, y'all be like, what the heck? But let me show you one reason I will always say I love his thing is he has the 3500, the Predator 3500 from Harbor Freight. If you are beginning to detail, you're looking for a generator that's quiet, something that, you know, I mean, this one's probably like around $900 at Harbor Freight. Yeah, it's a little bit on the costly side, but guys, you can't even really hear it, and it's literally on right now. I'm gonna flip the camera and kind of just show you his setup real quick for those who have this vehicle or are planning to get maybe like this type of vehicle. There are so many ideas out there that you can literally do when you get these kinds of vehicles. I hope to one day maybe upgrade to something like this, but my truck just has been so good to me that I just don't mind. But let me flip this camera around and then we're gonna get back to the headlights. All right, so he made this, he did this right here, cut some holes, drilled it in there. He has his brush on there. Very simple setup, guys, but it's very effective. I think this is a 35-gallon water tank, a 6-gallon air compressor, his hose rail. He has his power washer hose right there, and a nice small 1600 Ryobi, guys. Again, you don't need big stuff, guys. You know, just start. There's a little Harbor Freight right over there. It's so quiet, guys. So and then he just recently upgraded to he created these let me show you guys real quick. This is the beauty of this Harbor Freight, guys. You can literally hear me with this on. He just created this what are these called? Shelves. He has his extractor right there, guys. This is from when I saw it the first time, nothing was built yet, and he is slowly getting his system stuff set up. He cut this little board out here, made a little back glass. Very cool. So if you guys are needing an idea, guys, this is a great little startup setup. Again, this is the star every time when I work with him, because at 3500 it's so quiet. But let's get to the main reason of this video, guys. So for those who are in the fence of maybe trying to buy a small polisher, this one I just wanted to do a quick review on the this is the spta, and this is one of the reasons why I love this little machine. All right, no, it's not a Rupes, no, it's not a Flex. There's many reviews on, you know, what's the best out there. For me, this is the best machine I have ever bought. All right, and for this video I want to demonstrate the pads it comes with. All right, this one was $200 on Amazon. When I purchased it, it only came with one set of pads. I think the new price, I think it's still $200, but it comes with like double pads. I think it comes with a 1-inch also, but I could be wrong. But let's start with we're gonna try this purple one. Let's check it out. We've already wet sanded all this completely. We're gonna be using Coach Chemi H9, and we're gonna put a nice little drop. And let's do, hopefully I'm in the camera's view right here, and let me just kind of let's see the power of this polisher. All right, so we're just gonna spread it around, guys, real quick. And then I'm just gonna bump it up straight to a 7 and just let's see how well this performs. So far, I mean, it looks like it's doing the job. All right, and it's a really good little machine if you don't want to be using a lot of like your electricity and stuff like that. So this wool pad, I believe, is definitely cutting really nicely. Obviously, you can definitely buy you can buy better 3-inch pads, and I'm sure you'll get some amazing performance on it. So, all right, let's wipe it off and see. I'd say that was pretty good. There's still some areas here, so I'm probably gonna just do one more pass of the we're gonna do maybe some 2500 just to kind of finesse the lining a little bit, 3000, and we'll polish it off again, and these should come out very well. Again, this is the SPTA mini polisher, guys. You know, many reviews on this. Check it out. As far as for me and my business, this is a great little machine that I love because of how compact it is. I don't have to use electricity, and it does very well as far as polishing, you know, headlights, polishing all these small areas that, you know, sometimes the big polishers can't get. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a great day. Be safe, and as always, I will see you guys on the next video. Be safe.